Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this pose in Dress and Press for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the changing room and you're going to put on the mermaid tail. Okay, I'm going to go to the cards item and I'm going to put on this mermaid tail. Alright, and after that we're going to go to outside the building. You can follow where I go and you can go to this location and then you're going to enable your camera movement. Okay, I'm going to activate my camera movement. Right, and then I'm going to jump to the sky. Okay, just jump into the sky. Okay, and after that you will get this pose in the game. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get this pose in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.